নজর লাগে গেলি
উল্লা পড়ছে
দি
উল্লা পড়ছে ক রেডি আমার কথার আগে
My uncle America's choice the decision is uncle America go to is, America's English is the England is British is the England stadium the Salah big straw eating uncle very good the uncle is very nice so beautiful the things in is very nice very good land so beautiful the yesterday England versus Pakistan cricket match second match the England total 23 run win 2024 is England. What was the best five the T20s final? Batterston, Johnny Barrister, Josh Butler, is Hollybrook, is Moeen Ali, is the Stock Oaks, is the all-rounder, is the Stock, is the Babal Azam, is the Pakistan captain, is the Shadab all-rounder, very good left is the Diddling Zo is the Haris, the opening bowler is the very good Shine Shafidi. Diddling Sousa.
ওকে